In this video we're going to take a look at some of the features that allow us to be a bit more productive rather than always having to do everything every time. So for example, one of the things that we can do is copy an existing page that we like as the starting point for a new page. So let's go to the page that we've been working on. Here it is, here's our DNN9 page. Now what we've got here is a template that we can use. We have links on the left, we have content with images and text set up in a way that we want to replicate and use again, so we can copy this. Up here I've expanded this control panel again. Now previously we've added a page, we've worked with page settings. What we're going to do now is copy a page. So I click on copy, and up comes a dialog within the main contents of the page to allow me to create a new page based on the existing. So I'm going to call this one second page. I'm going to call it Jan Mark page. Jan Mark's another one of my favourite children authors. So if I call this, description is appreciation of Jan Mark, keywords Jan Mark, Ennead, one of her books, Divide and Rule, another one of her books. Wonderful book. Okay, I want the parent page to be the home page, yes. I want it to be included in the menu, yes. I'm going to stick with the same permissions as before, and I'm going to copy the first page. Now, if you look beneath it, you can see we have the separate elements that we'd created on the previous page. The first one with no title, which was the content pane, and the second one, the links, which were in the left pane. Now you can see for each of them we can create a new one based on it, so we can create a new lot of links, not have any content in them, or we can copy the actual content. I will copy the content of the main body, and I could just set a reference so it pointed at the existing one, so it was the same exact content, so that the second page just points at the content from the previous page. If you change it in one place, it changes both, but I think that's getting a bit complicated. With the left pane, I will say new, and I will create a new set of links, so it'll have the same structure as the existing page, but different content. If we look at the advanced settings, it's the same kind of things again. We can specify look and feel for the page and all that kind of thing. We really don't want to mess with that, because the look and feel settings will be provided for us. Similarly, we could also set a schedule for this individual page. So this page could have a start date and an end date. You can do it for whole pages as well as sections of pages. If I click update now, here we have our new page. Now at the moment it looks like DNN9 here. How can we tell it's a new page? Well, first of all, we have breadcrumbs at the top that says this is the second page. Now, we may not have those breadcrumbs in our final look and feel, or they might appear differently, but that's the kind of way you can see. The other clue is that we have links here, but there are no actual links in there. So all we would do now is go in and edit our content. So I could just quickly make it say Jan Mark, and then I'd want to obviously add different links in here, and whenever I'm ready, you know, I set it to update, and I now have a second page. And if we look at the menu here, you can see first and second page. If I log out, here we have our home page, our first page, and our second page. So as you can see, copying an existing page is a very easy way to generate a template to begin working on a page.